So the CMOS battery is dead. I mean it's a 2008 laptop or 2009 laptop. I mean, it doesn't make too much. Anyways, I was just gonna try to show the specs. I'm gonna disable the beeps because I'm pretty sure you can do that. Okay, how do I disable the adapter? Security. It's not in security. It's not in boot and it's not in exit, so it's probably in advanced. Can I make this song? Make this adapter warning. Is it an adapter warning? I mean, can I disable this? I can't disable. Oh, I can. Okay, disable. Exit saving changes. Exit saving changes. Yes. Okay. Can we like stop now? Can we make this stop? It's not stopping. This is great. Miscellaneous devices. Is it in here? External eSATA ports. Okay. Wait, that's an eSATA port? What the hell? I'm gonna research this. So this is the Inspiron N5110, like I said. Our CPU is an Intel Core i5-2450N at 2.5 gigahertz. Very, very nice. You know. Our RAM is 6 gigabytes of DDR3, and we have some sort of hard drive in here. I think it's a 5400 RPM. I don't know though. But yeah, we can actually get Windows 7 installed now. I don't have the drivers on here. I'll download them onto the flash drive after Windows 7 is installed because I want to see what drivers are installed by default. But we have Windows 7 here. This is Windows 7 Home Premium. But wait, no, I think this is an all-in-one flash drive. Yeah, I think this is an all-in-one. I'm going to install Ultimate on here because that's what was on here originally. Or when I first saw this thing. This thing currently has Windows 10. And it has a problem with Windows 10. So let's try booting Windows 10. And I'll show you what's wrong with it. So this is a common issue on this laptop. It's actually so the graphics driver for the Intel HD 3000 graphics, it actually just is a black screen when you install Windows 10. And I mean, I would fix that, but the owner of this laptop, the current owner of this laptop, just wants me to put Windows 7 back on it because that works. And I mean, I don't blame them. Windows 7 was a good operating system. I'll just let it load up and show you here. Because yeah, it's just gonna show us a black screen. It's not really gonna work, you know. Cause yeah, watch. And it's not because this thing is slow. Cause the HP Pavilion G6 has the exact same graphics. It has the Intel HD 3000. I think I can get the HP Pavilion G6 drivers on here, and I think it might work. I might try that out later. I don't know though. But yeah, you can see it's just a black screen here, and this will keep happening even if you wait a long time. So I'm just going to install Windows 7, not fix this thing because I don't really want to deal with this right now. I would just rather install Windows 7 on here. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. I'll plug in this USB drive and then we can get started. Something else I have is this USB keyboard, which you probably saw. So I'm going to plug this in because the keyboard kind of doesn't work with the escape key and the up arrow key. So yeah, I'm going to have to do that. So here's what I've done. I plugged the USB keyboard into the USB 1 port, and I plugged the flash drive into that USB 3.0 port. I mean, it's a 3.1 flash drive, but it should be fine. Alright, let's boot. We're gonna have to press F12. Alright, we're gonna go to USB device, press enter, and it's working. Press key. There we go. Windows is loading files. That's what we want to see. Yes. So there we go. Windows is loading files, and yeah, we're just gonna be installing Windows 7 on here. There we go. Starting Windows. So yeah, here's the starting Windows. Here's the boot screen, I guess. I mean, I don't know if I've done a video on me installing Windows 7 on the board. I mean, I think I have, so it's fine. Okay, so we have a mouse cursor. The trackpad is working, so that's good. It's a bit way responsive than I wanted to, but it should be fine. Okay, we're going to click next, and we're going to click install now, and setup is starting. That's great, awesome. That's what we want. Yeah. And well, Okay, what is going? Okay, so this is gonna take a while. And okay. Great. It required CD/DVD drive device driver is missing. If you have a device driver, floppy disk, CD, DVD, or USB flash drive, please insert it now. Oh, we need the storage driver. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I was expecting to have to copy the drivers over. I just wasn't expecting it to be this fast. So I guess I'll be right back after copying over the drivers for the SATA hard drive or whatever, the storage driver. Alright, yeah. Drivers acquired, and I can only record for 57 minutes. Okay, great. We're going to click on Browse. And where it is, it's in, not in there, it's in removable disk. Please insert a disk into removable disk. What? That's strange. Where's Dell? Where's Dell? That's strange. Okay, I guess we restart the setup now. Rescan. What do you mean? No, don't hide it, guys. Rescan. No drivers were found. Make sure the installation media continues. Let's restart the installation. So, to power off the machine, power back on. Where's F12? Right here. I'm assuming it's right there. Okay, we're going to do this, and then we're going to do this. We're going to press a, what? No. Anyways, F12, 12. I think we only have to press it. Okay, so that, wait, that's the CD device. It's not detecting my USB. What? That's the Ethernet port, you idiot. Oh. I plugged the USB into the goddamn Ethernet port and expected it to boot. Yeah, you know, I'm an idiot for doing that. F12. I'm surprised the computer didn't blow up. So, what we have to do is we have to go this, press enter, press a key to boot from USB. There we go. Windows is loading files. Please pick up on that storage driver. Nah, I won't do that. It's Windows 7. I'm gonna have to install this myself. No chaos happened yet. What does that message say? Well, yes, but no. What? Anyways, this is Windows 7. The mouse works still. Let's click on next. And install now. And I'll be back again if something interesting happens. I wonder if it will just actually detect the driver, which would be really cool, but most of them were EXEs, and yeah, there we go. I didn't do that. Browse. We're going to go into the Dell. Where's Dell? Alright, I tried plugging it into the USB 1.0 port on here. Let's boot this thing up. Oh gosh, we didn't even, okay, yeah, no. We have to press F12, guys. We don't have the external keyboard though. I'm not gonna plug it in because I'll plug it in after we get Windows installed. Press a key to boot from USB. And it's gonna go a lot slower now because this is USB 1.0. Because it's not gray. If it was like gray or white, I think it's USB 2.0. But we're on USB 1.0 because it's a black USB port. So this sucks. And yeah, this is gonna take forever now, and I can only record for 55 minutes. I'm gonna go delete some videos or whatever because I think this will take longer than 55 minutes. I don't know though. Okay, hopefully the SATA driver will actually load. I'll be back when something interesting happens. That was it? You have to be kidding. Okay, that's crazy. We're going to be grabbing Ultimate for X64. So that means this one. Next. Yes, you can actually install this. I think. I don't know. I might jinx this. I don't want to jinx this. Custom install. Holy crap. Oh, okay, it's the 200 gig one, yeah. Oh wait, we have to format this first. Format. Okay, I don't want to delete all the data, so I had to make sure it's a 200 gig one. Next. Okay, Windows is installing. Okay, that's a good sign. Please actually install Windows. I'm scared. No, I'm actually scared though. Okay, I'll be back when something interesting happens. Okay, so we're logging in, preparing your desktop. Wonderful. I'm going to try to get USB 3 drivers installed. I think that's the first thing I'll do, so I can use the 2 USB ports. Dang it. And yeah. This is taking a while. Oh my gosh, it's taking a while. We don't even have Windows Aero. I don't think we'll get Windows Aero unless we install the graphics driver. I don't know. I don't even know which drivers are which. I'm just gonna have to wing it. Does the keyboard work? I don't know. Let's try. The keyboard. Oh, is that even the Windows key? Control Escape. So yeah, the keyboard doesn't work. Maybe I have to plug it back in. Maybe then. USB device not recognized. Let's unplug that and plug it back in. Okay. Installing device driver software. Okay. Device driver software was not installed successfully. Well, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Was not successfully installed. So, plug that back in. Can install the driver. It doesn't recognize it. Okay, let's plug in the flash drive so that we can try to get other drivers. Please tell me we don't need drivers for the flash drive. We open up File Explorer, go into Computer. Okay, it's not showing. Do you want to... No, continue without scanning. There we go, there we go. There's the drivers. So now we open up Dell. We go to my drivers folder and let's start. We're gonna start with this. I don't know what this is. Yes, I want to run. Chipset. Oh, this is the chipset driver. Continue. I want to install it there. Do you want to create it? Yes. All files were successfully unzipped. Okay, will it open automatically or do we have to go in there? I don't know. That's strange. So did that just unzip the file? I don't know. Continue. So C Dell drivers. Oh, okay, it's gonna be C Dell drivers. Okay. Window key E. Then we go to C Dell drivers. That. Okay, I think it's this setup. We run setup.exe and there we go. Okay, so now it's installing. This computer does not meet the minimum requirements for installing. Okay, what? Okay, maybe that's not a driver we have to install. This program might have not installed correctly. Yeah, whatever, let's cancel out of that. And yeah, I'm just gonna go through and install all the drivers. So yeah, that will take a while. I'll be back. Alright, so I think the chipset driver installed. No, I'll restart later. Click on finish. Then we can back out of this to here. We can swap folders. So that means we gotta go back here. And then go back. What? No, did it unplug? Oh my god, no. Come on, man. Why? Why did it do this? Stop reconnecting my flash drive. So yeah, that's beautiful. Window key E. Then we gotta go to the flash drive, wherever it is, right here. Dell drivers. Which one were we on? Oh my god. Oh, we're on that. Okay, so we can run this one now. Run. This is the Realtek driver. So that's the card reader. I don't even know if we need the card reader. So let's do that. Okay. Oh god. No. No, we lost it. I'm pretty sure it was this one. 473. Okay. So now we gotta go into here, go into this driver's folder. Yep, it's this one. Which setup? Oh, here it is, setup. We're going to click on yes. And okay, now it's installing a driver. I think. I don't even know. Okay, so now we gotta wait. Great. This will take a while, won't it? Yes, it will. Okay, that's actually going. Okay, I jinxed it. Clearly. Install shield, wizard complete, finish. Please don't restart automatically. Alright, so we go back. I'm gonna go grab the rest of the drivers because this will be boring. So yeah. Alright. I know I said that I wasn't going to do this, but this is the graphics driver. So I mean, I just had to, you know. It's for a notebook, but I mean, it's for the Inspiron N5110, so I guess it's ours. Oh gosh, what did I do? Which one is it? This one? Yeah. Okay, so we go back here. Yeah, 1698. Yeah. Okay, it's doing that. All files were successfully unzipped. Oh, it automatically launched. Automatically run WinSet and enable the Windows Arrow desktop theme if supported. Yeah, I want to do that. Next, and it's installing the driver. What driver is this? This is the Intel. I don't know which driver this is. But it's version 8.15.10.2342. Installing driver Intel. Oh, that's the audio driver. So okay, that's version 6.14.00.3074. Oh wow, it's doing a lot of stuff. It was doing a lot of stuff. Don't restart my computer. I don't want to do. No, it's right click. I'll restart my computer later. All right, let's actually grab the rest of the drivers and hope that nothing exciting pops up. All right, so I had most of the drivers except for two: the Ethernet controller and network controller. So USB 3 works. You can see graphics work because there's arrow and screen resolution is just fine. Continue because this internet driver doesn't work. We're going to pull out of this, and the thing is we're gonna have to run this HP one because it will produce some logs where I can copy it onto a different computer and actually see if it works. I mean, it's probably not this one because it's the Broadcom WLAN adapter for an HP machine. I mean, yeah, it's probably not gonna work. I mean, like, come on, it wouldn't work. Oh yeah, it's not this one. I forgot. It's not. This one isn't the one that does the logs, though. It's this one. Okay, so it's actually this one. Well, whoops. Okay, I accept the goddamn license agreement. Okay, do your stuff. Click fin. There we go. So I don't have an internet connection. Scan. There we go. This will produce the logs. And then from that, we can finally grab the log. Oh my god, Internet Explorer. I don't want Internet Explorer thing closed. Yes, I want to close all the tabs. What do you... Oh, come on. Okay, so we're going to save this desktop as drivers. We're going to click save. There we go. There's this whole thing. We're going to run it on a computer with internet, and then we can grab the network driver. Including the driver identifier setup. Nice! We got the driver identifier. So whenever I need to figure out drivers, I just run that, and it will work. So there we go. I'm going to go try this on my main PC and see what the drivers are, and then I'll copy the drivers over, and then I can finally install Wi-Fi drivers on this dang thing, and also Ethernet drivers, that too. Okay, so I'll be back. Y'all, this setup is awesome. Look at how cool this thing looks. Everyone, this looks cool, alright? I'm telling you. So it's actually installing it. I actually got the driver now. Oh, okay, so this is the wireless driver. So we got the network adapter driver, so hopefully it installed the network adapter. I just saw something there. Oh, okay. We have a Wi-Fi icon now. That's nice. That's nice, you know. No connections are available, but hey, we can search for them. But hey, it says that we have Wi-Fi now, so that's pretty cool. Success! Okay, so we can click on the nice little finish button after I zoom out completely. Where's my mouse? Here it is. Click finish. I think it'll restart, right? I don't know. Okay, I have to get the Ethernet driver installed now. In the previous day, I exquisitely installed Microsoft Windows 7 on an exquisite Dell Inspiron N5110. Okay, I should probably stop sounding British.